Good day investors, welcome to the 10th of April 2015. The trade for today will be called ITU or Into Properties, and the last traded price was 63.24 cents. The action on this trade is to do a long trade or a buy, and the entry level will be 63.04 cents. The share needs to go to a target of 66.82 on the green line if you want to take profit, and the stop loss to be used is 61.78 on the red line. Looking at the current open trades, and that is Woolies and Aspen, they currently still open. Looking at the top 40 index, and as you can see, this is the top 40 shares on the JSE. The black line broke through the red line, through the blue line upwards, and that's the 10-day and 20-day moving average. And now you can actually see a possible cross happening, and that cross could be indicating more momentum could go upwards. Currently, the US futures are a bit negative, and the European futures and the JSE futures are showing a bit of a positiveness for today's opening early today at 9 o'clock. So track it very closely for better movement. Looking at the Dow Jones Industrials of the American markets, they went from this blue line here to that blue line there, 56 points higher, close to the 18,000 points. But still, they got a lot of volatility on the markets. And that is just due to speculation. Will the interest rates happen in June or September, or will it be, on the rumor, be taken over to next year? But the reports that came out on the Federal Reserve Bank, members are more positive for June hike, so volatility can't go forward. Looking at the J200, that's the top 40 shares in the JSE, had a bit of a positiveness on the market yesterday on the JSE, and you can see this positive channel here, downwards, and a positive channel there, testing the previous highs. So keep a close eye on this momentum as well. With the Bollinger Bands, it's showing this 47,000 points could be on the table very soon with this current movement. Let's go and look at some banking shares. Looking at Barclays, you will basically see the share still on a positive channel, went to this high of 195 as expected. Now it's coming a bit down, but it's on the high of the channel, so you could see a bit of a reversal happening here. Now if you extend this green line here to 190, that is the current next support on the specific trade. Looking at Standard Bank, Standard Bank broke the new high, currently trading at 172.15 in this positive channel as well. And if you call up your Bollinger Bands, broke that sideways pattern of last week, and it's starting to rise further on. Let's go to the retailers. Shoprite did well in this positive channel, came a bit down, broke it upwards, broke this 166, and now trading at 170 or close to the 170. Looking at your Bollinger Bands, broke this Bollinger Bands here at the level of 160, went to 169.20, next expectation high close to 170. Mr. Price still testing previous highs of 277.10, and at a stage it had a high of 280 rand, but it's still trading positive as well on the toppy side. Looking at Woolies, also went to the 90 rand in this new positive channel after it came down. If broken to this level of 90, next high could be 95. So the retailers are doing awesome at this moment. Just want to go back to Investec. Now Investec currently broke this high, went to the 104 and 105 as explained yesterday and the day before, and you can see now it's starting to stabilize. But the next question is, where's the next high? Could be 108, so track it closely as well if you look at this specific trade. Let's go to your MTNs, and looking at MTN, started to stabilize here at the 223 to 224 level, next expectation high 225, but there could be quite volatility on this share every time it comes to 225 in the short term. Vodacom started to break here, and as expected is 138, testing the previous highs, and you can see here, here's two highs, there's two or three highs there, and now testing the other highs. So the share is getting totally overvalued, and it's top on the Bollinger Band as well. Looking at Exxaro, starting to stabilize here at the bottom, need to track it closely, If it needs to break up, needs to break this 100 to go back to the 110. Keep a close eye. CFR started to break up in this negative channel as expected, and there's the 101 rand we spoke about, and next expectation high is yet close to the 105 rand, even if the share trades at 102. So let's see how the market plays out for today, and the next report will be due on Monday. Enjoy your trading.